Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Bookstack. We're also going to have a look at Notion. We're going to put them head to head and figure out which one of these products are going to actually benefit you. So without further ado, let's dive straight into them. Let's have a look at Bookstack now. So Bookstack is a powerful open source platform specifically designed for creating and managing documentation and wikis for teams of all sizes. So the intuitive hierarchical structure organizes your content as books, chapters, and pages. This makes navigation more intuitive, even for very complex documentation. It is also a web-based solution, so it supports multiple users with different permission roles. It makes it ideal for team knowledge management, and you can also assign different roles with different permissions to different members. Bookstack also has some key benefits that are worth noting. So you can choose between different different editors depending on your team's preference, as well as the technical comfort level. It has a robust search and tagging capability with a hierarchical organization, which ensures information is always easily accessible. You also get granular access control, as I mentioned earlier on, which allows more precise management as to who can view, edit, and you can also add different administrational sections for different documentation. Bookstack also allows you to create comprehensive intranet documentation for companies and teams. You can centralize critical information, and you can reduce knowledge silos. You can also develop and maintain product manuals, onboarding material, and standard operating procedures with version control and also collaborative editing. It supports open source projects with community-driven documentation that can be updated and expanded by multiple contributors, which means you can completely customize Bookstack to your own needs. Alright, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given, you can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. Now, the takeaway here is to go and put these softwares to work, see how they actually benefit you and what they can really do. If this was enjoyable, you can drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.